This is a tutorial on how to install our sequential turn signal flash module box. This is a retrofit item, so it is a universal fit for many cars. Each step blink lasts about 1/5 of a second, while a full rotation lasts about 0.85 seconds. For this demonstration, we've cut the wires short so you can easily see what each wire is used for. So with that in mind, let's get started. The left side of the module box holds the positive and negative input wires. These will get tapped to your turn signal harness. The right side holds 4 wires that power and controls the sequential flashing. We have a common ground wire, a red wire, a yellow wire, and a maroon wire. The colored wires control the first, second, and third flash respectively. You might think to yourself why there are only 4 wires to power the sequential lights. Wouldn't there be 3 ground wires for each positive wire? We've configured the box so that the 3 colored wires share a common ground wire, so wiring would not be as messy. To wire the sequential flash module box, you must first tap the input wires to your turn signal harness. Twist tie the first bulb's negative wire to the common ground wire and the positive to the red wire. Cover with electrical tape. We are using LED pod lights for this demo to show you each wire can handle up to 25 watts of power. The left and middle pod lights are rated at 20 watts, while the right pod light is rated at 24 watts. Repeat these steps for the second and third bulbs to the yellow and maroon wires respectively. If your sequential lights only flash once, the module box is tapped to the wrong harness. Make sure the input wires are tapped to the turn signal harness's positive and negative wires, and try again. If you like this video, like, share, and comment, and follow our social media channels for more updates. Thanks for watching.